So I'm about to go meet up with the Supra and other friends, and we're going to take some pictures of the cars. But I kind of wanted to do a little vlog, so we're gonna see how that goes. Just let me know if you guys want to see more content like this. We hang out a lot, and I mean, he has the Supra, which is pretty cool. So, well, we're just gonna head out. We're actually running a little bit late, but you know, what else is new? Oh, okay, I need to get gas. There we go. Keep climbing. Keep climbing. Go to F. There we go. Damn, if only we could go in. Hey, Jonah, how much?
What?
How much?
Huh?
How much?
How much what? Oh, you know, depending what kind you want, you know.
I got
massages.
10 pesos.
I'm down. Where are we going?
Put the light. Oh. And then wait. Once it's green, press it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
We're trying to redo Paul Walker's picture. You know? Are you recording?
No, güey.
Ay, estoy hablando con
Oh, shit.
You are recording, fuera. Ahí está el tiempo, güey.
No mames.
Chemeco. No. Go back. Go.
$1 million smile, bro.
Not too much on his face though. Oh, you forgot the bag. Time for like
Jimmy!
Look, that's
Jimmy!
new profile picture. New profile picture.
Yo, I want to drop the camera, bro.
Oh, they just passed it to you?
Ready?
So move it up.
Go.
You didn't tell me.
I told you like 3 times. You didn't go back.
Where do you zoom in on this thing?
This touch screen.
Oh, wait. Oi. You have a weird face.
Oh.
Well, what's up, guys? Follow me.
Look at my
I don't have a car, but follow me.
Good luck catching her, fool. She's gonna be gone.
Just hop on the Supra real quick.
There you go, James.
My man.
Here's my tripod.
He's not gonna fall.
Titanic, fool.
No,
Titanic.
a ver, agárralo.
Titanic, güey. Titanic.
No mames.
Just kidding.
Pichola.
Sick, dude. It's like a different wheels. So I'm not matching you
I mean, the wheels are sick like that, honestly.
with all his tire, dude.
You just gotta lower this, honestly, a little. And then just, yeah. I mean,
Dude, so I know why the car is like hopping. Come here and look straight down.
Oh, shit.
It's fucking.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, this hasn't been out that much. That's why you were like.
That's why it's doing that, yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna get an alignment Sunday. Sick, dude. So it's my new Supra. So I'm sitting on some garbage. Vlog with the 50 mil. It's hard. It just gets my eyes.
I mean, you have to be like all the way back here.
I can vlog you.
You need someone to vlog for you. ¿Qué onda, plebes? Aquí andamos otra vez, otro video. Ya lo sabes. Aquí está el compita Josué.
El Blown Apex Seals.
Blown Apex Seals.
Supra.
Ahí está el Supra, era. Chingón, güey. No se te olvide suscribir, carnal. Mira, aquí tenemos a Lisa.
Jimmy con su R32.
Mira, el SKyline. Nunca llega tarde. Aquí está el Supra. Mira, el guapo de Julio. Julio, estás bien guapo, güey. ¿Hablas español?
¿Estoy bien?
Sí, estás bien.
Mira, ese
Estás
que
bien
en la
guapo, güey.
derecha, En la derecha, mira ahí.
¿Por qué tu volante está de este lado?
¿Por qué?
¿Por qué? Tu volante aquí.
El volado.
Aquí, volante.
Es mejor.
Oh. Tiene razón este güey. Es mejor de tenerlo de este lado.
It looks so much better than a Supra.
Or I could just drop you off home and I could just go.
Como quieras. Are we leaving? Do you want to pass the camera around?
Okay.
You want to say goodbye?
Let's say goodbye, guys.
Bye, guys.
In the camera. In the camera.
Bye, guys.
Oh.
I'll have to say bye. What, on 3?
No.
We're at elementary school.
1, 2, 3. Okay, bye.
Actually, so I ran into some subscribers out here. You guys want to say bye to the vlog?
Oh, fuck.
Stop, right?
Bye, subscribers. Bye, subscribers. You know, subscribe.
Blown Apex Seals.
You saw faggots?
Jonah, wait, what's my Instagram?
Hey, Jimmy. Te bañas, güey.
¿Te lo lavas, güey?
No,
Jimmy, okay? Vámonos.
Sorry, Jimmy. Love you.
All right.
We're gonna go to
Adios.
Kate's.
Jimmy.
Later.
Jimmy. I love you.
Jimmy, I love you.
Okay, it's time to go home. So we're back home now. That's gonna be it for this video. Let me know if you guys like this style of video. We can definitely do more. But thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you did. Comment down below and then hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.